बरं शॉर्ट केलं येस ती पडटली ती हे सायडीन पडना एक्झॅक्टली किती झाले
भायर उजो लागलो हाच्या कडेन लोकांनी तो भायलो उजो भितर करी येयलो
भायर आणून खूंय भायर
हेजे करीचे भायर
Outside the compound wall of our garbage site, someone lit fire there. So that same fire came in, and the garbage dump caught fire. So there was a small fire in 3-4 different places. And today, since it was a very windy day, suddenly there was a lot of fire, and we had to call the fire brigade, and we've been trying to put it off now for a couple of hours actually. So a little under control now, but let's wait and see what happens. And the fire brigade has been coming also continuously for 3 days, trying to put out the fire. So what happens is they put out the fire and temporarily goes off, and then again it starts burning from underneath. So that's been happening continuously.
So this water tankers are also being brought.
Yeah, we are providing the fire brigade with water tankers from here, so they don't have to go back down and refill it. They're supplying water here itself, so it's quicker for them to put the fire out.